Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Zoran, and for those of you who do know me, thumb up for being a loyal subscriber. Now today I'm going to show you how to make money by uploading crazy simple videos on YouTube. And this method is beginner friendly. You don't need any special skills, you don't need any expensive softwares, but you do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And if you stay with me to the end of the video, I will actually show you how to make money while you wait to get accepted in YouTube partnership program. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. Okay, let me just show you some of the channels that are actually doing exactly the same method that I'm about to show you. Now, first channel is Audio Library, Music for Content Creators. And they have 2.7 million subscribers. And their videos are getting thousands and thousands and thousands of views. And if we actually go on one of these videos, let's take this first one. Okay, this is an ad. We have to wait 5 seconds. Okay, now we can see that there is just this song and one image through entire video. And that's it. That is entire video. Very, very simple. So go back and let's copy this. And if we go on Social Blade, now paste here. And click here. We can actually see that this channel got almost 15 million views last month, and that they made from $3,000 to $57,000 last month. Now this is a broad estimate, but I'm actually estimating that they made about $15,000, which is still a big money. And if another channel is called No Copyright Sounds. And as you can see, this channel actually have 25 million subscribers. And their videos are getting thousands and thousands and thousands of views. And it's exactly the same like the previous. And let's just copy this. And go on Social Blade. As you can see, now this channel actually got 137 million views last month, and they made from $34,000 to $550,000. I estimate they made about $150,000 last month. So you are probably wondering, well, how do I find those copyright-free songs? Because you cannot upload just any song you want. You can actually go on YouTube. Simply go on YouTube, Audio Library Music, and YouTube will actually offer you thousands and thousands and thousands of copyright-free songs. And you can actually click here to search by the title, by the genre, mood, instrument, and so on. And to download any of these songs, all you have to do is simply click here on download, save file. Okay, it finished. Now you cannot upload music on YouTube. You must upload video. So as you saw, these guys, they simply make simple videos with just one image and a song. Now you can go on Pexels or any other website that offer copyright-free images, and let's search something, let's say forest, for example. And let's take this image, for example. Click on free download. Now you have to make a video. You can use any video editing software you want. For this occasion, I will actually use VSDC because that is a free video editing software. Click on blank project. Fill these fields. I won't do that now. Okay, this is the wrong format, it doesn't matter. All you have to do now is, let's just minimize this. I will drag this image here, and I will drag this song here. And now drag the image to be same length as song, and that's it. All you have to do now, click on export, export the file, and all you have to do now is upload this video on your YouTube channel. There are actually two ways to make money while you wait to get accepted in YouTube partnership program. First way is to upload your music files on PPD website. PPD stands for pay per download, which means you will get paid every time someone downloads the file that you uploaded on that website. And this is the website that I actually recommend. Now, the website that I recommend is called File Upload. I will leave a link in description. File Upload will pay you up to $7 for 1,000 downloads. And that doesn't sound much, but the channels that I just show you are getting thousands and thousands and thousands of downloads every day. So, first thing you need to do, obviously you need to register. It is very simple form, so I will not do that now. And after you register, all you have to do is click here on Start Uploading Files. Next thing you need to do is you need to choose the file that you wish to upload. It's this song. Give it a name, let's say Forest, and click on Start Uploading. Give it a few seconds to upload the file. Okay, now File Upload gave you a link, and all you have to do now is copy this link and paste it in your YouTube video description. And every time someone downloads this song from this link, you will actually get paid, you will make money. And that's it. The reason why I recommend File Upload is because they don't run pop-ups and surveys. They make money from regular ads and paid membership. And yes, you can make more money with PPD websites that run pop-ups and surveys, but with File Upload you will actually get more downloads. And in the end you will actually make same money, about the same money. The method number two is you can actually make your own website and host those music files on your own website and install Google AdSense ads on that website. I personally use Bluehost for all my websites, and in my opinion that is the best web hosting company. I will actually leave a link in description. I think their cheapest plan starts with less than $3 a month, and you get WordPress and one domain, but you can actually use whatever web hosting company you want. So you need to build your own website, you need to install Google AdSense ads on that website and send people from YouTube videos to that website and make money from Google AdSense. But you can actually combine Google AdSense and File Upload. So you will send people from your YouTube videos on your website and from your website on File Upload. And in that way you will double your money. And best thing is that you can actually, once you get accepted in YouTube partnership program, you can continue sending people on your website and on File Upload and make money from Google AdSense and from my File Upload. And in that way you will double your earnings. So that is how you make money, by uploading crazy simple videos on YouTube. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.